In this video, I will demonstrate how to process a payroll. After all payroll updates have been entered into the payroll journal, you can begin running the payroll. From the Role Center, I will select the action to initiate the new payroll. Before proceeding, I will choose the pay group for which the payroll will be processed, and I can review or adjust the payment dates as necessary. In this section, you can also refine the pay run by applying filters such as employee type, salary category, or specific payroll journals. For this example, I will be processing payroll for only salaried employees. Once we review and confirm this information, we will select OK. Now the payroll is being generated. Once it is successful, we will select the Open Payrolls page from the Role Center. Here, I can preview the paycheck by verifying the calculations and details are correct. If everything is accurate, I can then generate the payment file by selecting Pay. After the payment has been issued, I will finalize the process by posting the open payroll, which transfers all payroll data into the general ledger.